Alright, we got a quick update. Got some things done here recently. Want to show everybody what we got. So let's get you around here to our shed. We've now insulated, and I did spray foam insulation. So you can have a look at how all that turned out. And this is going to be the most airtight shed you could possibly have. So it was really quick. I was very surprised, and it's actually the same cost me doing it myself as it would to buy regular bat insulation. So it turned out really well. I'm pretty happy with it. It was kind of a pain though, because the bottles of foam have to stay between 75 and 85 degrees. And it's like freezing temperatures outside. So luckily I have my solar panels working. I'll show you that too. I was able to get my space heater working. So we have that going. I have my propane tank going. Propane heater, keeping my spray foam bottles warm. And it worked out good. Worked out good. So next I've got to do some little framing stuff here and there. I'm going to put some 2x6s where the cabinets are going to go, so I can screw those in easily instead of trying to find 2x4s. So I've got to do a little bit of light framing, and after that it's time for sheetrock. So that is exciting. Here, I'll show you what we have going on in my little utility shed. Let's see, here we go. So here is the solar panels. We can power them on, and you can see, what do we got? We got 4,000, come on focus, there we go, 4,000 kilowatts of power coming in. It's sunny today. And my space heater is taking up about 1,500 watts, or 1.65 kilowatts. And the battery is 100% full, so I'm bringing in more power than I can use right now, which is a good thing. And it's it'll start discharging that back out soon. And another great feature we've got is water. Do you hear that? And we get to keep it about 55 to 60 pounds of pressure. So that's exciting. My wife Missy's gonna be very excited about that. Get some nice high pressure showers. Look at that, guys. We got water, we got electricity. We're at sheetrock in the shed, so we are getting very, very close to the finish line. So I would say here in the next month or so, we will be moved in here and ready to go. So that is exciting. I've got a generator that we ordered. It came in, a whole house generator, because during the winter time, during the winter time, we just need enough sunlight to power the batteries, so we need a backup generator to charge our batteries at night, mainly when we need it. So we had to go ahead and get that. I knew I would need it eventually, but we had to get it sooner than I was expecting. So of course, when you get a generator, you need propane, and so you need a propane tank. So I went and found somebody on Facebook Marketplace. He was selling a 500-gallon tank. I know it's not pretty, but a little sanding and paint, it'll look brand new. It's not about the look of it. It actually it worked. He just unplugged it here recently. So that's gonna be a fun project to clean up and make pretty again. See what colors we come up with. Have some fun with it. So that's what we have going on today. Exciting stuff. And I'm gonna go get to work, and I'll do a video update once I start getting some sheetrock up. Kind of see how things look from there. All right, y'all have a good one. Stay warm.